327 petty traffic.
327, go ahead.
We're pulling into the soccer fields off of Holsworth, north side of the road, with Utah William 002 Zebra George. Repeating, William 002 Zebra George. Again, Utah.
Received soccer field on Holsworth.
Hi.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Haas with the Kerrville PD. The reason for your stop is speeding. Okay, I did check you at 44 in a posted 30-mile-per-hour zone there at the beginning of Holsworth.
Okay.
Okay, do you have your driver's license proof insurance with you today?
Yep.
Thank you. Sir, stay in the car.
It's officer safety.
Is there a reason why you wanted to get out?
Yeah, I just want to see her.
Okay.
Just open the window.
Been waiting an hour this morning.
Do you have your ID on you too, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You need to look at it?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because he's a passenger of the vehicle.
Is that a Texas thing?
31 PD tonight.
Is that a Texas requirement?
Thank you.
That passengers need to,
He's a passenger inside the vehicle. Okay. He is obligated to ID it.
so obligated as by law, by Texas law?
27 feet. Check Utah 27 and Texas 27.
That's a Texas law, sir?
You are required to ID yourself, okay, if you're a passenger inside of the vehicle. Okay. I'll be right back with you. Is everything up to date on your driver's license?
Sure, this should be.
Okay, you still live in Utah?
Yes.
Okay. You have proof of insurance?
I'm sure I do. I'll have to find it. I'm
Okay.
going to call my husband.
Okay.
It might be in the car.
Okay. 27 feet. Check a Utah 27 and a Texas 27.
Go with your Texas 27.
12466969. Repeating 12466969. Check. Thank you.
Your next.
198115 Repeating 198115 Here you go, ma'am. Thank you. So just hang tight in the vehicle. Be right back with you. Thank you.
Will do.
All right.
D327.
Good.
State for the second 24.
Utah.
PD traffic. Go ahead. 300 Main, John George Frank, 1299, John George Frank, 1299. 300 Main. 27, your return.
Go ahead.
Lillian Bolt. Central Utah. Shows to be cleared and eligible on a Class A that expires 2018. Check for a second.
Go ahead.
Ramon Gonzalez, other male out of Kerrville, shows to be eligible on Class CM that expires 2021. Clear 29 critical.
10-4.
PD 337, your return. Good. Have a Leo Gonzalez Cruz, white male out of Kerrville, eligible DL Class Charleston 23, clear 29, clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Did I give you the 28?
And again, you're still living at 261 Dodge City Trail?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today, one moment.
Yes,
One
sir.
moment. Okay. Can I get a good phone number for you?
435.
435?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
680.
680
733. And since I'm
733
and then the last number is this.
1.
Thank you. I'm live.
Excuse me?
I'm live,
Okay.
and I wanted my privacy protected, but obviously you don't care about that.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Today you will be issued a citation for speeding.
That's fine.
If you can sign here, your signature is not a plea to guilt, merely a promise to appear on before the court date.
Can you please
And
go ahead?
okay, I'll explain your court date here in a minute. Okay, just sign here. Thank you.
Can I get my license back?
When we're done. Okay. All right. I'll be right back with you if you just hang tight in the vehicle,
And
please.
I do have
Thank you.
questions.
PD 331, call. Therefore, sir, 35-year-old male, active seizures. They didn't give a reason why. Clear. 337 PD 10-8. 10-4.
Okay, ma'am. Your court date is going to be set next month, 11th, 2017 at 9 o'clock at 301 McFarland Street. You can take care of the citation on before that date. Okay, if you have any questions at all, contact the court number here provided.
Okay.
Here's your driver's license.
May I ask a question now?
And here's your citations.
May I ask
Okay,
a question now?
you're free to go.
And may I ask a question now?
Absolutely.
The question is it required by law that you check the the passenger's identification also?
Yes, you are required to identify yourself.
Okay, you are required to identify yourself
Yes, ma'am.
upon being asked to?
Okay. I'm not gonna stay here and argue. Okay.
I'm not asking you to argue. I'm asking
Okay,
you
and I told
to
you.
answer a legal question.
Okay, and I answered yes.
Officer's discretion to
Okay.
ask for the.
And I'm not going to stand here and argue. I answered yes. Have a safe day. Thank you.
Is this something we might need to respond to also? I guess so. I'll show you all en route just in case. And if 31 advises code 4, you can go 10-8.
Traffic stop for speeding. It took me a while to turn around the vehicle. Safe spot to turn around. Once I stopped the vehicle, passenger opened the door and tried to get out. I told him to stay in. They got a little irritated with me and then began turning on devices to record me, and then they became argumentative. Citation issued no further.